Hi, welcome to the MuTaLig Virtual Chemotheca tutorial. The Chemotheca was developed within the MuTaLig COST Action framework with the aim to identify multi-target agents, repurpose non-active compounds, and stimulate new scientific collaborations between researchers while saving intellectual property of all involved researchers. The Chemotheca is a virtual database that permits one to download and upload data. It is accessible on the website chemotheca.unicz.at. The user registration is crucial for the Chemotheca purposes. Chemotheca is accessible for both registered and guest users, with different levels of functionalities offered. This is the homepage for guest users. Guest access is allowed but is very limited in terms of offered functionalities. The upload of new information is not possible. The guest search interface is only a simple search in which it can be applied as query items, SMAIN notation, owner username, INKEY key, or if you know, the compound identity code ID. The results consist of a list of molecular structures only. By default, 10 rows per page will be shown, but the user can modify this parameter. Edit query and refilter its options are available to improve search efficacy and focus the results. By clicking on structures, this will be magnified, and all related properties will be displayed in the pop-up window. It is possible to export selected entries as different file formats. Basically, guest access is recommended for the very first visit to the website. The registration procedure has been designed to be as easy as possible. A predefined form has to be filled with minimal personal information. We have recently added the possibility to choose the MuTaLig working groups to which you are interested for 2 possible choices. Only after completing all the required fields is the user ready to submit his registration. At this point, a control page will appear in which the user checks whether the data entered is correct and can confirm the registration. After its submission, an automatic email message will summarize the registration data and will communicate the password for the first authenticated access. The user's login takes place after the user has entered the username and password credentials. If they don't remember them, the forgot function is available. At first login, it is recommended to change the temporary password and update your data. Finally, if you have any questions about the MuTaLig Virtual Chemotheca, don't hesitate to email us.